What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Being in Luck. It's been a very long time since I've posted anything, but we are back. Say what's up, Tommy.
What's up?
So as you can see in the title of this video, boy, there's wind. I have my car all the way up here in Petaluma where we are working, and my starter has apparently failed. So we don't have any jack stands or anything, so I'm gonna try to back the car up on here. I'm gonna remove the tractor from the trailer, back the car up on here, and work on try to get the starter from underneath here. We're gonna go ahead and get the tractor off the trailer and then fire up that thing with a push start. This guy's gonna push.
I ain't pushing.
And I actually have my exhaust removed off the car. The car itself, a lot of stuff to it since it's been on the channel. Riley's in there, he's tired. I have the exhaust off, and I have some parts coming in for it. I painted the wheels red, and yeah, windows are tinted. You guys already know that. I ended up putting a slave cylinder for the clutch into this, and a couple other interior things, but for the most part she's still the same except for the exhaust. Time to get something done here. Alright, we're gonna get a bump start and you're gonna grab it. Oh shit, that's close.
It hit. Yeah.
How close is the wheel?
You're not close.
Yeah, that's definitely not gonna work. The angle needs to be different. Dude, I know, so recorded all that. Anyway,
Let's get this done.
we ended up moving. We're doing a production
I don't want to be in
here.
the movie.
You are now.
Open the hood so you can see something.
We moved to a ditch area so we can get the amp angle right, and I just fucking winged
I can't
it
get that damn thing to be locked.
and flew up on the trailer, and I just stopped, just barely hit the fucking catalytic converter, just barely. So nothing broke, everything is all right, and now we are at a perfect angle. It's right under there. There's a starter right there. It should be anyway. Right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that thing out, and yeah, see what it looks like. All right, so we're underneath here. Put this generator tarp thing down, and the starter's right here. Right here, as you can see. So I already undid the top one, and it's 14 millimeters. And here's one that we got. This is a Harbor Freight tool. So yeah, it works great. That's what
Harbor Freight means. So, yeah. I want to go ahead and undo that with both hands.
Just 2 bolts.
Yeah. They're long, but it's just 2. I'll get in the hard one first. Because it's the one on the bottom. I think it's loose. Alright, so that one's loose. Let me see. Still, I can't believe it's still recording. That one's loose. As you can see, it's a pretty big freaking bolt. So now I gotta do the top one, and then I'm gonna take this thing out. Ooh, come over here. What's up, guys? Come take a peek under the hood. Check this shit out. As you can see, I'm undoing this top one now. There's a couple of nags over there who were naysaying the entire time, but they're having a good show. This bolt is out, I mean. So, you don't really have to take it all the way out. I'm gonna leave it there. And now you have to find a way to wrestle the starter. But first, you gotta unhook all the electronics. So, I'm gonna have fun with that. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so I have a 12mm, and I can't get the camera. Right there. So I'm gonna try to put my wrench on it. It's right here. I don't know if the camera's seeing this or not. But oh, I guess right. Oh, it's loose. So now I'm just undoing this. It's a 12mm. So yeah, I'm just gonna have fun undoing that. And that's the only thing that's keeping this starters in here. As you can see, it's completely wiggling and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Got the starter out, so it's kind of hanging by this wire because it didn't want to come off. So yeah, I probably shouldn't let it do that for long. So I'm just gonna like wrestle that off of there. But then we're gonna go ahead and get the new one. The old starter is very crusty. It lasted me about 10,000 miles before I had to fix it. I've put a lot of miles on this car since I've last talked about it on YouTube. So yeah, just been really busy lately. Well, let's find out what we have in here. A nice, shiny, new starter. Looks pretty much the same. As you guys can see, just so you know, this is the main power, which is this. We don't really need this because we can use the old ones over. So yeah, that's connected like that, just like this is so. And we put that thing onto here, and that's it. They look pretty much exactly the same. I'm just gonna go ahead and plop this bad boy back in there, and we'll hear her start up. Hello everyone. So I was just finished up putting this thing in. Let me get that. Let me get those beautiful people. Look at this. Nice and new. Got that wire hooked up, and we just put the boot on that. Just like that. It's one thing getting it up, but I'm sure we'll be fine. I don't know. You guys get to see. Here.
You want to take the hood off? Hey!
Sure. Thank you for watching, everybody. Fantastic. Thank you for everything. We're gonna put everything away, and we are gonna go eat and sleep and relax.